Hello and welcome to another episode of Muddy River Mixology Monday, where each week we introduce a new cocktail using one of our amazing award-winning rums. We're not at the distillery today, we're still quarantined, so we're at the house, drinking at the house.
Trying to enjoy this beautiful day.
Yep, and we're spending as little time at work as possible, working from the house, and when we are at work, we're not really making rum anymore. We're a sanitizer company now. Us, along with craft distilleries around the country, are pretty much exclusively making hand sanitizers.
Hashtag distillers for a cause.
One benefit to making drinks at home versus the distillery is we can use other alcohol. So at the distillery, it's only Muddy River products on an alcohol level with our drinks. But here, we can do whatever we want. So today, we're using my favorite brewery, Birdsong beer, to make beer cocktails. The drink of today is called the Roberto, and that's not named after me. That's, who is that?
A distillery tour guest came in and gave us this recipe, and, we thought it was weird at first to do a beer cocktail type thing, but he forced it on us, and we love it.
Yeah, we were reluctant to try it, but it ended up being awesome. Robert's the guy. He works at Charlotte Compressor. Awesome company based in Charlotte, North Carolina. Does really good work. So his Roberto involves using a dark beer like a brown ale, and our bestseller, our spiced rum. So for this drink, we're gonna do 1.5 ounces of spiced rum.
1.5 ounces.
And this is a 2-ounce thing, right?
Hey, good thing is we're not driving, so.
And some Birdsong. No need to mix, it all just kind of works out. Fill it to about there. Now you got to be careful. 2 drinks in one with the spiced rum. Do you already say that?
No.
It'll get you there pretty quick. So
be safe. Drink responsibly.
Sip on these. Don't take them back like a light beer. So that's that drink. We're also doing a different variation today with my favorite beer of Birdsong, which is the Jalapeno Pale Ale.
Yeah, Birdsong Jalapeno Pale Ale.
For that drink, we're going to use 1.5 ounces of our coconut rum. This stuff is awesome this time of year, but it really works any time of year. We've got lots of Mixology Mondays using that coconut rum there.
Yeah,
so 1.5 ounces of coconut rum and
Jalapeno Pale Ale. This will be a little spicy sweet, so I'm excited to try it. Ooh. Got a nice head on yours there.
Yep, I know how to pour beer. Cool. All right, so there's our beer cocktails. Hope you guys enjoyed this video. Don't forget to like and subscribe. The recipe, 2 ingredients, will be in the description below, along with links to Birdsong and Charlotte Compressor and other Mixology Monday videos. Hope you're staying safe through all this quarantine. Cheers.
Cheers.
And switch. Yeah. That works pretty good, actually. Yeah, I'll take that. I'll keep this one. Yeah, that's it.
What is that? What is that? Is that a duck?
Yeah, it's a duck.
Right, drinking a lot of food? A lizard is gonna come get him. He just puffed out his neck. Open my eyes.
Alright, you ready?
Close to the tender spot.
Oh my god. Our lizard friend.
He wants poos.
I want to stick
The same
this.
beer cocktail.